What if I told you everything you ever dreamed of, your success, your happiness, your fulfillment is already within you? I mean, right now. It's not out of reach. It's not some distant fantasy. It is real, and it starts in your mind. You know, we spend years shackled by fear, by self-doubt, telling ourselves, I'm not good enough. I'm not worthy. But here's the hard truth. Those limits, those chains, they are all in your head. I mean, you were born to break through barriers. You're built to rise above the noise that says you can't. What if I told you that the single greatest tool for your success isn't talent, luck, or even resources, but the mindset you choose to embrace? Think about it. Right now, in this moment, you're standing at a crossroads. You can keep believing the lies that have been fed to you, lies that tell you you're not enough, that the past defines your future, or you can make a decision right here, right now, to absolutely rewrite your story. I mean, your mind is the most powerful weapon you own. But until you learn to control it, it controls you. And the difference between failure and success is the way you choose to think. It is the way you choose to rise when life knocks you down. Because the truth, the people who change the world don't have fewer fears, no. They have just trained their minds to face them head on. They don't have fewer obstacles, but they see every one of them as a stepping stone to the next level. This is where it begins. The moment you decide to break free from your old way of thinking, the moment you tell yourself no more limits, no more playing small, no more being afraid to chase the life that's waiting for me. This transformation, this mindset shift, it's not a trick. It is not magic. It is a choice. It is a belief that you are worthy of success, that you are capable of greatness. And once you make that shift, your whole life begins to change. The career you thought was out of reach, it's yours. The relationships you dreamed of, they're possible. The person you were always meant to be, they're standing there, waiting for you to let go of doubt and step into your power. So I'm asking you today, what mindset will you choose? Will you let fear keep you in a cage? Or will you decide right now to unlock the limitless potential inside you? Your future is doing one thing. It is waiting, but it won't wait forever. The time to transform your mind, your life, your world is now. So will you choose to be limitless, or will you let your mind keep you stuck? The power is already within you. All you have to do is unleash it. So listen, now we go.